Finally did it. Look what it took. It's gonna damn near make you crazy, but you gotta push. Front of the spot, gun in the bush. Top of the world now, looking down. This how I feel, this how I look. 1 in a million, 1 for the books. This how I feel.
Top of the top, everybody. Welcome back to another episode of Life with Drewskiii. Today we have another sponsored video brought to you by Diet Tuning. Big shout out to Diet Tuning for supporting the channel once again. And today they sponsored us with LED interior light bulbs. Finally, yeah, I know it took me a minute to upgrade them. I had them previously on my SI and it completely changed the vibe of the interior at night. You know what I mean? You pull up to your car, you already got the LED headlights, you know? Might as well get the interior so it could all flow together. They went ahead and sent me the pack to replace every single one, which will be the 2 front ones, the one in the middle of the car for the back seats, the one for the trunk, and I believe the ones for the mirrors, the vanity mirrors. Again, if you haven't caught one of the best phone mounts made specifically for any tangent Honda, hit up Diet Tuning. They do iPhones, Galaxies, everything. You name it, they got it. Installation should be fairly easy. You either need a trim removal tool, which is like a little plastic thing, or in my case, we're gonna use a flathead. Whatever what you got, just be careful. Let's go ahead and install it now. All right, y'all, so this is how it looked like before. Yellow, you know, and then the new ones, will you marry me? But the new ones are very, very simple to install. If you want to propose to your girl, bro, 2 for 1, you save money in the box for the future. So step number 1, what I'm gonna do is grab my flathead and pop these suckers out. So what I'm gonna do is, there's like a little slit right here. You can kind of see it when you're in your car. So what you wanna do is get your trim removal tool, pop it out, or get your flathead, nicely take your time. You don't wanna break the clips. Just boom, pop them out. Make sure you grab it in the middle because that's where all the pressure is at. And do the same thing to the other side. Just pop it out. Simple. No clips have been broken in this video. All right, so we're gonna get our bulbs. Grab the big one from the. They're all pretty much the same size except the 2 small ones. Go ahead and grab it. This is your connector right here. Pop out the other one, which comes straight down. And what you're gonna do is straight up. Go ahead and connect it. Grab your connector. Make sure it lines up with the pattern. Same process, start from the bottom or the top. Boom. Y'all see the difference? That's a cool difference, right? OEM, Diet Tuning. I like it. So now let's do this side. That one's out. Grab the other big one. Number 2. Pull out your bulb, straight down. Put this bad boy in. Didn't work, so now we go this way. Watch it work. Simple. Simple. Boom. Again, find the shape of it. Start from the bottom, press it to the top. Simple. Now we got 2. Look at this. Just look at the vibe, bruh. Shout out Diet Tuning, man. Okay, so now we're gonna do the back one. Same theory. Simple. Remember, you guys, the connector is going to be right. I mean, the pressure points, if you see right here, it'll be right here. You can't miss it. When you turn the light on, you could see the indentations. Just look for this line right here, and that's where you find your points. Same thing, just slightly take your time. Same thing. This one, ooh, this one's hot. So we're going to let that cool down and come back. There it goes, you see? It's like this. So what you want to do is, there is a gap where you can fit your whole finger in here. So put your index finger up here and then put the bulb, your thumb right here by the bulb, and just little by little wiggle it out, and then it'll come out eventually. And slide that thing in there. You see it is already lighting up. So whoa, start from the bottom. Make sure you hear it pop. Boom. Nice and secure. That works. Same thing. It's kind of at a weird angle because it's like full of plastic. So just try to put your finger and pop it out. And to go back in, it should be the same theory. You just can't. It's kind of hard to see. I didn't even try to take it out and it just came out. Alright, y'all. So that does it for the install. Big shout out to Dia Tuning. Link below if you're interested in getting some LED bulbs, phone mounts. They even sell downpipes. It's pretty dope. They're for the 1.5s from a hatchback to a Civic to an SI. Big shout out to Dia. It brought up the vibe inside the car. You know, any other company ever interested in sending some of your products, send them over. Emails below if you want to contact me. And comment, subscribe. Again, you're interested in some lights, hit up Dia, phone mount, downpipe, they got it all. So I'm gonna catch you in the next upload. Stay motivated, stay going to the top. Comment, like, subscribe, tap in. It's your boy Drewskiii. And remember, make a play.
Alright. I thought I told your ass to subscribe, man. What's going on? I'm gonna find you, bro. It's a matter of time. Just fucking hit the subscribe, like, and share button. All that shit.
Pull up, big body Civic. That's a Fk8. Limited edition whip. This ain't regular shit. I be fucking your bitch. In this shit. LA vibes. And we lit. Bumpy nip. Pound sweet. LA views. So many different ways parked underground. Got the 63S and the SVJ. Got the thnx tucked away. LA vibes. Make a play. Crenshaw Slauson. That's where I come from. R.I.P. the nip.
Yeah, catch a LA vibe, California vibe, Dirk and homicides, La homie wanna slide, I never testified, your crew get crucified, see codeine in my eyes, my music televised, I can hardly tell you lies.